How to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. First things first, open up the MoonPay app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look for the big button that says buy and give it a tap. This is where you start the buying process. Now, you need to pick what cryptocurrency you want to buy. Since we're talking about Bitcoin, find the option for Bitcoin and tap on it. Next, tell MoonPay how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Just type in the amount into the box they give you. After you've typed in the amount, there's a button that says continue. Give that a tap, and you'll move on to the next step. Put your Bitcoin address you want to send the Bitcoin to or tap on your MoonPay account, then tap on continue. Now, something cool happens. Your web browser opens up and takes you to a special page to finish the purchase. On that page, you get to pick how you want to pay. If you're using a debit card, select that option. Time to enter your payment details, like your card number and billing address. Once you've done that, hit continue again. Finally, just follow any other steps or prompts that come up to finish buying your Bitcoin. And there you have it. Buying Bitcoin on MoonPay is as easy as that. Happy investing, and see you in the next one.